Every day when you wake up, you're presented with a new opportunity. A new chance to make a difference, a chance to take one step closer to your dreams. But how often do you truly seize those opportunities? It's easy to get caught in the routine of life, letting each day pass without making it count. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that you have the power to shape your life. Each day is a blank page, and it's up to you to write the story. Every moment is valuable, and how you use it today will determine where you are tomorrow. Change doesn't happen overnight, but it starts with the decisions you make today. The first step to changing your life is to shift your mindset. If you keep thinking the same way, you will keep getting the same results. The reality you live in today is a reflection of the thoughts you had yesterday. If you want to change your life, you have to start with your thoughts. Listen to this every day and let these words remind you that you are the creator of your reality. Your mindset determines your trajectory. A positive, growth-focused mindset will unlock endless possibilities. You have the power to change your life, but it all starts with believing that you can. Believe in yourself, and the world will begin to open up in ways you never imagined. Every person who has ever achieved something remarkable had to face doubt, fear, and uncertainty. You are no different. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is simple. The ones who succeed are the ones who refuse to quit. Listen to this every day and let it be a reminder that your struggles do not define you. Your perseverance does. You are stronger than you think, and you have the ability to overcome every obstacle that stands in your way. Every setback is just an opportunity for a comeback, and the more you face adversity, the more resilient you become. Don't let your fear of failure hold you back. Use it as fuel to keep moving forward. Every time you choose to procrastinate, you are pushing your dreams further away. It's easy to say, "I'll do it tomorrow," or "I'll start next week," but the truth is, the longer you wait, the harder it becomes. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that the time to act is now. The perfect moment will never come. You have everything you need right now to start. Stop waiting for things to fall into place and start taking action. The more you act, the more you will learn, and the closer you'll get to your goals. Don't wait for the conditions to be perfect. Create your own opportunities by taking action today. You will never be able to predict every challenge that will come your way. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes it throws curveballs that test your resolve. But those challenges are not there to stop you, they're there to strengthen you. Listen to this every day, and remember that no matter what comes your way, you have the strength to handle it. The road to success is not easy, but it's the challenges that make the victory sweeter. Don't shy away from difficulty. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it as a stepping stone to greatness. Each obstacle is an opportunity to grow stronger, smarter, and more resilient. One of the biggest obstacles to success is the fear of failure. But failure is not the end, it's simply part of the process. Every successful person has failed at some point. It's through failure that we learn our most valuable lessons. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that failure is not final. It's not something to fear, it's something to embrace. Every failure is a lesson that moves you closer to your goal. The key is to keep going, no matter how many times you fall. When you embrace failure as part of the journey, you free yourself from the fear that holds you back and open yourself to endless possibilities. If you want to change your life, you must take full responsibility for where you are right now. It's easy to blame others, your boss, your circumstances, or even your past. But the truth is, you are in control of your future. Listen to this every day. And remember that your past does not define your future. The choices you make today shape the life you will live tomorrow. Stop waiting for someone else to change your life for you. Take action, take responsibility, and start building the future you want. You have the power to create the life you deserve, but it starts with you taking full ownership of your decisions. Success is not a straight line. It's filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. But the key to success is persistence. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that every step forward counts, even when it feels like you're not making progress. Progress isn't always linear, but as long as you keep moving forward, you are heading in the right direction. Stay committed to your goals, even when it gets tough. The key is to keep going, even when the road seems long. Every effort you make, no matter how small, is getting you closer to your dream. Too often, we look for external validation to determine our worth. We seek approval from others, we crave recognition, and we want to be told that we're doing a good job. But true success comes from within. Listen to this every day and remember that your worth is not determined by the opinions of others. You are enough, just as you are. The only approval you need is your own. When you believe in yourself and trust your own abilities, the world will begin to recognize your value. Don't wait for someone else to tell you that you're capable. Know it yourself. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate results. We live in a world that demands instant gratification, but success takes time. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that the best things in life are worth the wait. The seeds you plant today will grow into something beautiful, but only if you keep watering them. Don't give up just because you don't see results right away. Trust the process and know that the hard work you're putting in now will pay off in ways you can't even imagine. The people who succeed are not the ones who have the most talent or the most resources. They are the ones who never give up. They are the ones who keep going when everyone else has quit. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that success is about perseverance, not perfection. Keep moving forward even when it feels like you're not making progress. It's the act of showing up every day, no matter how hard it gets, that leads to success. Your consistency will be what sets you apart. Every great achievement starts with a decision. The decision to take the first step, to face your fears, and to commit to doing the work. Listen to this every day and remember that your future is shaped by the decisions you make today. If you want to change your life, start by making the decision to do something different. Choose to take control of your destiny and commit to the actions that will move you closer to your dreams. Your decisions today will determine the life you live tomorrow. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the enormity of your goals. You may look at your dreams and wonder how you'll ever achieve them. But success is not about doing everything at once. It's about taking consistent, small steps every day. Listen to this every day. And remind yourself that you don't need to do it all today. Just take the next step. Focus on the present moment and what you can do right now. Each small action adds up, and over time, those small steps will lead to massive change. The road to success is rarely easy, and it's filled with moments of doubt, frustration, and uncertainty. But that's what makes success so sweet. If it were easy, everyone would do it. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that the difficult moments are what make the achievement worth it. When you face challenges, remember that you're growing, and every obstacle you overcome brings you one step closer to your goal. Stay committed and keep going. Success is waiting for you on the other side. Don't let fear of the unknown hold you back. The future is uncertain, but that doesn't mean you should shy away from it. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that the best opportunities are often on the other side of fear. Take that first step, even when you don't have all the answers. The more you face your fears, the smaller they become. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Start now and figure it out along the way. You can't control everything that happens to you, but you can control how you respond. Life is unpredictable, and you will face setbacks and challenges. But your response to those challenges is what matters most. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that setbacks are simply setups for comebacks. The way you react to adversity will determine your level of success. Choose to face every challenge with resilience, optimism, and the belief that you can overcome it. The only way to fail is to quit. You will face difficult moments, you will make mistakes, and you will face rejection. But none of those things define your ability to succeed. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that failure is simply part of the process. Every failure is a lesson, and every lesson brings you closer to your goal. Don't fear failure, embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about the growth you experience along the way, the lessons you learn, and the person you become. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that it's not about reaching a specific goal, it's about the progress you make every single day. Enjoy the journey and focus on becoming the best version of yourself. When you focus on growth, success will follow. Self-doubt will always try to creep in. There will be moments when you question your abilities and wonder if you're on the right path. But the truth is, self-doubt is just a part of the process. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that everyone experiences self-doubt. The key is to keep moving forward even when you don't feel confident. Confidence is built through action, not through waiting for the perfect moment. Trust yourself and keep going, and you'll find that the doubt fades away as your progress builds. It's easy to look at where you are now and feel discouraged, but don't let that stop you. Success isn't about where you are today, it's about where you're going. Listen to this every day and remind yourself that your current situation does not define your future. You have the power to change your circumstances, and each step you take brings you closer to your desired future. Keep going. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today.